This Remax House Values property video is presented by Kathleen Corder. Built 2018 on Lake Hopatcong. 2 Story Craftsman. Dramatic open floor plan, fireplace lake views, access to dock Sperry Springs Assoc. Stylish kitchen. Wood flooring both levels, exposed beam ceilings. Charming enclave, one of 3 distinctive custom signature homes Corrigan built. Soaring vaulted wood exposed beam ceiling in great room, Craftsman hardwood flooring, dining area boasts trim ceiling package with views to fieldstone wood burning fireplace adorned with hand-hewn barn beam and raised hearth. Custom kitchen offers solid gray wood cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless appliances, pantry and breakfast bar. 3 spacious bedrooms, separate laundry room and walkout lower level to yard. Access to NJ's largest lake, Lake Hopatcong, offering a vacation lifestyle just 1 hour to NYC. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathleen Corder at 973-770-7777.